Good morning to all. In before class, we just discussing the slope intercept form. Y is given to the slope and y intercept. Means what is that? This is a line equation. Means what is the line equation? It will be coming like this is here given the class y intercept is small c, and suppose it is the making angle theta and the slope of this line is m. Then what is the equation? It is coming y is equal to mx plus c. This is the equation of the line y intercept and slope is given. Suppose this line may be like this is also, it is a possible. What is that like this is? In this case what happened? Y intercept can be negative. Y intercept can be negative that number. Then also the equation is governing. Here y intercept means c value will be coming to the negative. Suppose two type of example. If m is equal to 5, c is equal to 4. Here c is a positive number, means it is a positive x-intercept. In this case, the equation is y is equal to 5x plus 4. Again, if m is equal to 5 and c is equal to minus 4 means, and then this equation y is equal to 5x minus 4. Here minus 4 is represent the negative intercept, that means negative sign. Length is only 4 but the side will be changing. This is the equation of slope and intercept form. Point slope and intercept form. In this both cases it is given to the y-intercept. Suppose it is given x-intercept. If slope is equal to m and x-intercept is equal to some a, then what will be happening? This is the second case. It is the first case. Case 1. What is the case 1 is? Slope is given and y-intercept is given. And case 2. What is the second case? Case 2 is slope is given and x-intercept is given. Means the line how is the possible? The line is possible, that was x-intercept means like this is, means it is the given that a. If such models, if you write on the first line it is like this means, then also this intercept is a. Again, if the line is in the form of like this is, means this is minus a. Otherwise it is another one possible is that line is like this is, means then it is minus a. Such a type of 4 type of lines can be existed. In this case what will be happening? If x-intercept is a means this point must be a comma 0 and slope of this line is m is already given from point slope form. From point slope form. What is that said that point slope form? आपको क्या बोला? What is the point slope form is? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Here y minus 0 is equal to m into x minus a. So y is equal to m into x minus a. This is the equation of a line when x-intercept is given. Y is equal to. For these cases and these cases, it can be converted as y is equal to m into x plus a, because intercept can be converted into minus a, then it becomes a plus a. So what happened? In slope intercept form, two cases can be arranged. What are the two cases is? The first case is if x intercept is given, what is the formula? Another case is if y intercept is given, what is the formula? Previous class only discussing when x-intercept is given, this is the equation y is equal to mx plus c. When if x-intercept is given, the equation is y is equal to m into x minus a or y is equal to m. Like this is the formula can be converted as y is equal to mx minus c. But we never learning the two formulas, only this formula only you can be learning. According to the c, positive means it will be the line to the like this type. If C negative means this is the type of line will be arranged. So here what is that? The type 4 question. What is the type 4 you learning? Slope and intercept form. In slope intercept form is two cases are arising. The first case is when y-intercept is given and slope is given. Second case is while slope is given and x-intercept is given. Slope is given and x-intercept is given means then this is the equation of a line equation while x-intercept and slope is given. Okay. Now we are going to discuss in the some problem related to this one. What is that? First of all, take screenshot. Now see, take the screenshot if you need means, and I am going to erase the complete board. Now find the equation of a line whose x-intercept is -3 and making an angle 60 degrees. Making an angle 60 degrees. This is the question is there. Here what is the question is angle is 60 degrees means it must be in the quadrant is first and that angle y-intercept is given that was -3. In that means below us. So here what happened it is given, what are the values are given that was here x-intercept is given. X-intercept means that is a is equal to -3 and inclination is given. What is that inclination is given that was inclination theta is equal to 60 degrees. So slope m is equal to tan theta. So the formula can be applied means tan of 60 degrees is equal to √3. So now we are going to discuss the equation of a line. So therefore the equation of a line is what is the slope intercept form is y is equal to m into x minus a. So y is equal to m means √3 into x minus of -3 means +3. So y is equal to √3x plus 3 √3. Bring this side √3x minus y plus 3 √3 is equal to 0. This is the equation of a line while x-intercept is given. While x-intercept is given, the equation of a line is, this is the method. This is the fourth one. In the fourth type of straight line equation, there is a two chances will be coming. The first one is slope and x-intercept is given, and second chance is slope and x-intercept is given. First one is slope y-intercept, and second one is slope and x-intercept. Now you are going to discuss the another type of, that is type 5. Type 5, that was, what is the type 5 means? Normal form. So type 5 is normal form. So what the meaning of the normal means? It is a perpendicular. So how that means? See, now I can draw the 4 diagrams here. First one, second one, third one, and fourth coordinate axis. I take the x, x dash, x, x dash, y, y dash, y and y dash, x, x dash, y, y dash, x, x dash, y, y dash. This is the fourth. Now I draw a line like this. This is the line I am drawing across. You know, from this origin, if origin to I am draw a perpendicular line, this is origin to I am draw the perpendicular line, this is, it must be 90 degrees. It touching the point at P. Suppose the length OP is equal to some small p. Of the length is small p, and it is the making the angle theta. Come to the case of second case. This is that, and from this case, that means reversely process. That was this is the one line first line, and it is the second line. Okay. In this case, what happened? This is the perpendicular. If you take that p, it is a p, and this is the angle. What is the perpendicular? Is from this one. Suppose this angle is means this is the angle, another one theta. Again, come to the case of like this is. If this case coming means this is the perpendicular, and this perpendicular making the angle. This one from here to here. This is the perpendicular angle. What happened here? This is the angle here. Because I did the mistake here. See, and draw the axis. It is the perpendicular origin. This is the point P, and this is the distance. This is the angle theta. Not like the perpendicular making angle. In the same concept, what is happened? It is more than 90. So second quadrant angle. This is theta. Here what happened? It is this is the perpendicular P. If you point P means this is the angle theta. If the line like this is means this is the perpendicular POP, and what is the angle will be there? This is the angle means it will be converted completely. See, x-axis with angle, what is that? This is the total. It means here, see, this line is this one means it is the angle will be there. So what happened in this one? First quadrant angle, it is lies between less than 90, and this is the angle is more than 90 to 180. That means 90 to 180. Here means 180 to 270 degrees angle. Here 270 degrees to 360 degrees angle is there. So here not line. Here what is that? 3 points you will remember the first. In normal form, it is never discussing anything about straight line. It is completely discussing about the normal form. Straight line रो को भी concept ଉପରେ discussion हबनी, but see straight line को origin to draw करिया perpendicular normal ଉପରେ depend करियो. कौन होची? If the distance of the normal length is equal to p and normal making the angle theta, then the equation of normal form, what is the equation of normal form is x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to p. X cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to p, where p is equal to perpendicular distance from origin to line, or it is called the length of the normal also called length of normal from origin, but most of textbook it is written as the perpendicular distance only, so this cannot be applied in the class. What is that? P is equal to perpendicular distance from origin to the line, and theta is and theta is, what is that? Angle made by normal, that means perpendicular with positive x-axis. This is the concept of the normal. See, here nothing related anything to the straight line. Straight line को related रे किछि नथियो. इटे दुईटा दोछि हम इक्वेशन रे कोन होछि, इटे इक्वेशन हम जानियो पड़िबो थीटा गुटे p गुटे. p होछि लेंथ ऑफ द परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम ऑरिजिन टू द लाइन. हमको जे लाइन दरकार ना ताके कोन कहउछथि op कहउछथि. So this is the line and theta is that was inclination made by the normal, not to the straight line. वो फर्स्ट देखो लगे स्टार्टिंग में लगे भूल लगे इटे लगे एंगल या नहीं रहा एंगल इज दिस वन स्ट्रेट लाइन पर योर एंगल है इट इज द एंगल मेड बाय द परपेंडिकुलर इट इज द एंगल मेड बाय द परपेंडिकुलर लाइन पर योर एंगल का होची थीटा स्ट्रेट लाइन पर योर एंगल नहीं इट अब स्ट्रेट लाइन पर एंगल कोन हो यहां ना बट स्ट्रेट लाइन पर योर एंगल है इट इज द एंगल ओनली बाय द नॉर्मल पर योर एंगल का है थीटा है देन द इक्वेशन इज x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to 5 जे कोनोसी केता टेक्स्ट बुक रे अल्फा लिखोजी सो x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p कहबो अकॉर्डिंग टू द सीबीएसई कांसेप्ट एंड फिजिक्स कांसेप्ट ले ओमेगा कहउछथि x cos omega plus y sin omega is equal to p same everything is also same formula take कोनोची omega is the angle of the normal with x axis angle of the normal with x-axis and p is the length of the normal. So now we are going to discussing how it came. Abhi akimi dasara derive kariya. Hala. I have taken the trust. ये what I'm straight करने लगे. Clear है? दिशा पे. ये आपको perpendicular है या o या p ने suppose it is cutting point of m and a this is the length is p and this is the angle alpha or theta coordinate hala ite angle term kete thauchi it must be 90 degrees for by your perpendicular normal means it is a perpendicular and it is length is arm to number angle is 90 degrees ebe akku ko mu dekhle from triangle OPM OPM triangle है cos alpha कहता है देखो cos alpha इनको हम चाहो adjacent side by that means base by hypotenuse एबे angle टा इटा अच्छे that is the right angle टा अच्छे या कौन हो hypotenuse हो again या कौन हो हमको base टा हो या उसी perpendicular टा this is the हमें और कौन हो सकती adjacent side opposite side and it is hypotenuse. So automatically if theta of base one this is the base of that means cos alpha is equal to p by h hypotenuse that is OM. So automatically OM is equal to what happened it is p by cos alpha but this OM is x-intercept. So x-intercept कहता है हमको what is the value of x-intercept is that is equal to p by cos alpha x intercept हम कहता है p by cos alpha एबे e angle 90 अछि alpha चले this is the angle is 90 minus alpha एबे ये हम n लिखे नाइला हम जनरल लिखा a भी लिख लेने देखो now from triangle OPM OPM में कौन होगा sin alpha होगा sin of मेरे cos of OPM में cos का सूत्र बोलेगा वो cos of 90 degrees minus alpha is equal to say इटे base होची OP and hypotenuse होची OM. So cos of 90 minus alpha means sin alpha is equal to OP means P by OM. So automatically ON is equal to what happened P by sin alpha. But अब ON लिखो ना this is the y intercept. So finally getting that y-intercept is y-intercept, what is that? P by sin alpha. એટલે અમે પ્રીવિયસ ક્લાसेस રે ડિસ્કશન કરછે જે કોનસી ઇક્વેશન ઓફ a line x intercept and y intercept, then what is the equation of a line? If given x intercept and y intercept, the equation of a line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So a geta aschi x by p by cos alpha plus y by p by sin alpha is equal to 1. ता ऊपर ऊपर कौन आसो? Therefore x cos alpha plus y sin alpha by p is equal to 1. So x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. This is the equation of a line in normal form. Again I repeat करछि देखो, इटे मन रखंतु इटे अल्फा हु लेंथ p हु स्ट्रेट लाइन को संबंध रहर नथिवो. p हुची लेंथ ऑफ द परपेंडिकुलर ले नॉर्मल रो लेंथ and p is the origin from the distance to the line कहउछंती. Again alpha हुची नॉर्मल करिवा एंगल, नॉट ए लाइन करिवा एंगल, नॉर्मल करिवा एंगल हुची alpha and the length is equal to p नेलागो. Then the equation of a straight line in normal form is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. So a class declare record hochi, this is the angle alpha, it is the angle 90 minus alpha. First of all you have a right angle triangle. E right angle triangle generally this is the first right angle triangle. E right angle triangle declare cos alpha formula पकड़े base by hypotenuse, that is p by OM. So OM is equal to p by cos alpha. हमको ये OM को कौन पूछते हैं? हमको x intercept को चाहिए according to the straight line concept of the intercept form. अब आकर हम कौन पूछे y intercept को आउचे. So some second concept E triangle triangle है. If I am taking that triangle, cos of 90 minus alpha is equal to OP by OM. Then sin alpha is equal to p by OM. OM is equal to p by sin alpha. So y intercept is p by sin alpha. X intercept is p by cos alpha. Y intercept is p by sin alpha. Generally intercept form term, this is the intercept form. Apply करिए हमने. Then x by p cos alpha plus y by p sin alpha is equal to 1. So literal version p का ऊपर बोले x cos alpha plus y sin alpha by p is equal to 1. So x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. This is the equation of a straight line in normal form. Normal form रे straight line रो equation. Okay, take a screenshot if you need. Now last one, general form. From these all type of straight lines, what is that you are getting finally? The equation of a straight line in general form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 means commonly in straight line equation one x term by y term one constant. This is a is x coefficient and b is y coefficient and c is constant. एबे आपको हमें जनरल इक्वेशन ऑफ a straight line कोस आर different type of cases as if a 0 है then कौन आसो by plus c is equal to 0. So y is equal to minus c by b आसो. This is the line parallel to the x axis. X axis to parallel to the line टा हम. ताकि if a b is equal to 0 है then कौन आसियो ax plus c is equal to 0 है x is equal to minus c by a हो this is the line parallel to the y axis को parallel रे चलो suppose c 0 है ना if c is 0 है ना हमको कौन आसियो इक्वेशन था ax plus by is equal to 0. So ax plus by is equal to 0 which it is passing through origin. Passing through origin. Origin. Let जे कौन सी straight line रे constant term नहीं मिले that compulsory passes through the origin. जे कौन सी straight line रे हमको constant term रो नहीं निकले it can be passes through the origin. Origin वाटे pass हो ହେଲା सो एबे देखो हमको origin पर पास करको दिस इज द इक्वेशन ax by is equal to 0 ये तीनटा केस अछि ना तीनटा को ax by c is equal to 0 it is a straight line equation there is a three cases can be arising from in general equation of a straight line remember then how many problems we solve finally you can getting one x term one y term one constant एमिति का आसीयो that is compulsory suppose कोन दे गुटे नथरे या नाही बोले पैरेलल टू द x axis या नाही पैरेलल टू द y axis या नाही बोले डेटा को passes through the origin there is a three cases in coming into the general equation now हमें general equations को different type of concept को change करिया how to changing the general equation to the various form of the straight lines expressing general form to various forms expressing general form to the various forms first one slope intercept form slope intercept form what is the general equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 now keep by like this is then minus ax minus c so y is equal to minus a by b into x plus minus c by b it is in the form of what is that y is equal to mx plus c so slope m is equal to minus a by b and y-intercept is equal to minus c by b. Y-intercept is c by b. From this one, you can getting a one formula slope of a line how to find. So that means what is that? If asking that slope of 3x minus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. So what is the formula for slope is equal to from here minus of x coefficient by y coefficient minus of x coefficient by y coefficient that means minus 3 by minus 4 that is 3 by 4 this is the way to finding the slope of a line by changing the intercept form ये होची intercept form को हमें convert करना आ द्वारा आपको कौन जाना पड़ा how to find a slope of a line जे कौन से गुटे लाइन टे देले स्लोप रे केमिति काढिबार हमको जଣା पड़ा नेक्स्ट सेकंड का होची कोन है इंटरसेप्ट भी जଣା पड़ा हेले what is the intercept हमके देखो x intercept पहुंचाना है प्लस y intercept पहुंचाना है y intercept is equal to formula कौन पाए हमको minus c by b that is equal to minus 5 by minus 4 that is 5 by minus c means minus 5 by minus 4 that is 5 by 4 5 by 4 Okay, this is the first way to converting the slope intercept form. Slope intercept form को हमें change करना है। जे कौन सी straight line का देखले general equations to slope intercept को form करना। आ द्वारा हमको दे सूत्र को जमा करना। Next होची converting to the intercept form। अबे intercept form को converting करना। किमें converting करना? general equation को दीजिए ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Intercept form को हम सेपरेट वन क्यों बोले ax plus by is equal to minus c divide with minus c बोले ax by minus c plus by minus c is equal to minus c by minus c. So x by minus c by a plus y by minus c by b is equal to 1. यहाँ हो जाएगा intercept form तो इधर से x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So from this one हम x intercept के तरह से x intercept का formula करा that x intercept is equal to minus c by a and y intercept is minus c by b. X intercept is equal to minus c by a and y intercept is minus c by b. फिर देखो जनरली पूछे हमें 3x plus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0 है। 3x plus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0 स्ट्रेट लाइन दीजिए और हमको x इंटरसेप्ट करना है। मतलब आप x इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्मूला को पहले है x इंटरसेप्ट is equal to minus कौन फॉर्मूला है minus c by a that is minus 12 by 3 is equal to minus 4 and y intercept कौन होगा y intercept is equal to minus c by b that is minus 12 by 4 that is minus 3. This is the way to find the intercept while given a straight line. मतलब जे कौन सा straight line तो देले अब intercept activity का क्या करेगा this is the formula used. So general form to first का हम चेंज कर ले इन point slope form चेंज कर ले second होची intercept form को चेंज कर ले next होची normal form को चेंज करना the normal form को चेंज करियार very most important role play करियो कौन भाई normal form को चेंज करियार भाई normal form रे normal करियो angle टा हमको चारि quadrant रे exist होची first quadrant second quadrant third quadrant and fourth quadrant चारटा quadrant रे exist होची ताई की देखिए हम करियो को पड़ो कि बिल चेंज होगा देखो नेक्स्ट converted to the normal form converted very most important now according this is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 या होची हमको जनरली फॉर्म पहले नॉर्मल फॉर्म को फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल नॉर्मल फॉर्म में इक्वेशन बनाओ x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p इथे p इज perpendicular distance टा केबे नेगेटिव रहबो सेति पई ई कांस्टेंट टाइम केबे भी इज इक्वल टू सेपरेट टाइम को नेगेटिव करबो सेति पई मु कोन हबो ax minus by is equal to c ax minus by is equal to c लिखले तापर कोन करबो डिवाइड both side with root over a square plus b square से डिवाइड बोले कौन आसीबो minus a by root over a square plus b square into x plus minus b by root over a square plus b square into y is equal to c by root over a square plus b square c by root over a square plus b square आपको हमें कंपैरिजन करना है x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p सहित कंपैरिजन कर ले हमको cos alpha कहता है सो cos alpha is equal to minus a by root over a square plus b square and sin alpha is equal to minus b by root over a square plus b square and perpendicular p is equal to c by root over a square plus b square એટલે એટલે ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ કોણ હોવું જોઈએ सपोज it is c will have a positive number and going to be fixed c will have a positive number and fixed सपोज c ର नेगेटिव नंबर ले कोन या -1 हे ले ता पॉजिटिव रे की दुटा को माइनस होले ऑटोमेटिकली सर्किट का आसलो प्लस आसो सो cos अल्फा वैल्यू प्लस और माइनस आसो एंड sin अल्फा वैल्यू भी प्लस और माइनस आसो पर भाई इटे c पॉजिटिव नंबर द्वारा हमको माइनस आसला c नेगेटिव देले इटे प्लस आसो c पॉजिटिव द्वारा कोन आसला हमको माइनस आसो c नेगेटिव देला रे कोन ऑटोमेटिकली पॉजिटिव आसो सो इट इंपोर्टेंट रोल कोन होजिले अकॉर्डिंग डिपेंडिंग ऑन द c पर को डिपेंडिंग करके थिबो c कोन होजिले डिपेंड करे ताको देखि के रहा इट कोन है आपको c इज इक्वल टू दैट इज इक्वल टू -a by -b by c जनरली कोन आंसर करे c कोन होचे c पॉजिटिव का में नंबर द्वारा हमको यह आसला सपोज c नेगेटिव नेले तो हमको प्लस आसलो सो दिस इज द मेथड ऑफ द चेंजिंग हेले या हमको कोई बार इजी है बट प्रॉब्लम करला को वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू फाइंड आउट किमिति जरा देखो आला रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम पे करबा convert root 3x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0 in normal form. अब हमें नॉर्मल फॉर्म को कन्वर्ट करना सीखना है सो कन्वर्टिंग दिस इज इनटू नॉर्मल फॉर्म हेले अगर मैं नॉर्मल फॉर्म को देखता हूं फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जब इक्वेशन फॉर्म √3x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0 इट देखो y ର वैल्यू नेगेटिव अछि सो √3x minus y is equal to +2 है एबे तो कोन कहले डिवाइड बोथ साइड विथ root over a square plus b square that is 3 plus 1 is 2 इलेट कहता है your √3 by 2 into x plus -1 by 2 into y is equal to 2 by 2 so आपको कंपैरिजन कर ले that is कहता है हम इटे √3 by 2 into x plus -1 by 2 into y is equal to 1 आपका साथ कंपैरिजन करियो x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p सहित कंपैरिजन कर ले हमको कहता है p is equal to 1 आसला अगेन cos alpha कहता है हमको cos alpha is equal to √3 by 2 and sin alpha is equal to -1 by 2 आसला हेले जनरली हमको देखो क्वाड्रेंट देखला को अकॉर्डिंग टू द ASTC रूल इटे सबको पॉजिटिव इटे sin cosec पॉजिटिव अगेन इटे tan cot पॉजिटिव इटे cos sec पॉजिटिव सो cos थीटा पॉजिटिव अछि एंड sin थीटा नेगेटिव अछि इले मस्ट बी थीटा बिलोंग्स टू फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट इले थीटा नहीं अल्फा बिलोंग्स टू फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट रहो सो फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट रो जिले एंगल कहता है श्योर अल्फा मस्ट बी देयर फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट एंगल कहते हैं that is 2 pi minus theta इले थीटा एक्यूट एंगल कहते हैं दुईटा को सैटिस्फाई करबा एक्यूट एंगल कहते होची 30 डिग्रीज सो फाइनली कहता है इट अल्फा इज इक्वल टू 2 pi minus pi by 6 that is equal to 11 pi by 6 या होची वेरी इंपोर्टेंट कांसेप्ट समस्त मतलब इटे थीटा लेवल जनरली एंगल टा पकछते बट या को क्वाड्रेंट रचना देखि के पकबो पड़ो इटे cos alpha लेवल ई लाइन पे किनका स्टेबल दैट मींस ए लाइन टा इमेज अच्छा दिस इज द लाइन इज दैट इज इट क्यों इटे को एंगल दिस इज द cos दैट इज 11 pi by 6 so normal form convert कर कोन आसो then the normal form of this line is x into cos of 11 pi by 6 plus y into sin of 11 pi by 6 is equal to 1 x into 11 pi by 6 plus y into 11 pi by 6 is equal to 1 this is the way to you can be finding the converting the any general form to the normal form there you must be see that this is the class cos x cos alpha और sin alpha values किमत अछि देखियो suppose cos alpha sin alpha दुईटा को पॉजिटिव अछि फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट देन अल्फा इज इक्वल टू फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट एतरे कोन हो अल्फा इज इक्वल टू थीटा नहीं जीरो ताका सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट थिले अल्फा इज इक्वल केते आसीओ पाई माइनस थीटा हो एंड थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट थिले अल्फा इज इक्वल केते आसीओ पाई प्लस थीटा हो एंड फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट थिले अल्फा इज इक्वल 2 पाई माइनस अल्फा लिखुछंती 2 पाई माइनस थीटा और अदर टेस्ट में अल्फा इज इक्वल टू माइनस थीटा लिखुछंती but minus theta में conclusion करने so 2 pi minus theta लिखना ठीक है. So this is the way to effectively write the angle according to the quadrants. This is the way to converting the general form to the normal form. So up to this class what you learned in the class various type of the straight lines and in general form how to convert into the various type of the straight lines. So what are the type of the straight lines is first one is point slope form, second one is 2-point form, third one is intercept form, fourth one is point slope form, fifth one is normal form and sixth one is general form. Just go through the all the formulation is compulsory and see the videos and take the notes and write on the notes perfectly and follow it, and the next class you can discuss in the parallel lines and perpendicular lines concept. Thank you.